Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to edit your user profile and move dashboards in bulk in Bold BI. Let's get started by editing your profile. If your display name, profile photo, or basic account details are outdated, updating them takes only a minute once you know where to look. On the dashboard server, select the profile icon to open the user menu. Select My Profile to open your profile page. Here you can view your profile details, including your username, first name, last name, and email. Select Edit and update the details as needed. For this example, I'll change my profile picture. Select the Edit icon. The Change Profile Picture dialog box will open. Select Browse to upload an image, which you can preview. Save your changes. You will see the profile has been updated. Select Save to apply the changes. To confirm everything is updated, return to the dashboard. Refresh the page. And open the profile menu again to verify that your new photo is visible. To delete a profile picture, select the Delete icon on my profile, and then select Yes. If your changes do not appear right away, refresh the browser or sign out and sign back in. Also note that in some organizations, certain fields like email or username may be locked because they are managed by admin settings or an identity provider. So those values must be updated by your administrator or in the identity provider instead of in the profile settings. Now let's see how to move dashboards in bulk in 3 steps. If your dashboards are spread across categories and reorganizing them one by one is taking too much time, you can move multiple dashboards at once using the Bulk Move option. First, make sure you have the required permissions to move dashboards. You'll need access to manage dashboards in the destination categories, and you'll need the appropriate permissions to create or manage dashboards in categories. Based on how your admin has configured your environment, you may need to request permissions. On the Dashboards page, you can see the list of dashboards. To move the dashboards, select the 3-dot action menu on Category and choose Move Dashboards. In the Move dialog, select the destination category where you want these dashboards to be moved. Check the boxes to confirm which dashboards to move. Click outside to see the list of the dashboard to move. Click the Edit icon to make changes to the name. To remove, select the X symbol. To cancel this process, select Cancel. To finalize your changes, select Move. Proceed by selecting OK from the confirmation box. You can see the dashboard successfully moved to the specified category. In this video, I've shown you how to update your user profile and move dashboards in bulk in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.